This is the third show you know in Mathlinks 4.2, Mathlinks7 4.2, and it deals with estimating fractions as percentages. So if we look at A, we've already talked about this in the first show you know, but if we think about 23 out of 80, I got to kind of make it into a fraction that I know what the percent would be. And in this particular case, I particularly know that 20 out of 80 would be a quarter. So therefore, my estimation for this fraction, it's close to a quarter, which would mean it's close to 25% as an estimation. I'm going to just say that it's probably pretty close to 25%. And the only way that I can determine it is to take 23, divide it by 80, and I get 0.2875, keeping in mind that the first two decimal places are your tenths, your hundredths. So this is 28 hundredths, or technically 28.75 hundredths. I just kind of add on this to my hundredths part. And that is approximately 28.8%, which was pretty close to my estimation, which was 25%. The next one says 421 out of 560. So B is 421 out of 560. For this one, I'm going to make it 400 out of 600. 400 out of 600, which is approximately 2/3. So therefore, I know that this is going to be roughly 66%, or 66.6 repeating percent. So when I take my calculator and go 421 divided by 560, I get, did I do that right? Must have been. Just double check. Divided by 560. Yep. Is approximately 0.7517, which is approximately 75.2%. Not too far off from my estimation. Okay? And that's how you do it. You basically change the fraction to a close fraction that you know the value of as a percentage, and then you calculate the actual percentage using division of the numerator by the denominator.